Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine and everything is good. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to talk about subject pronouns in English. Okay, now what are pronouns? Pronouns are short words that can replace nouns. Okay, for example, they can replace the noun children. Now, let's study the following example. Children are having fun. Now, the noun children can be replaced with the subject they. They are having fun. Subject pronoun. In the sentence, we have subject pronouns plus verb plus object. So we always put subject pronouns before the verb. For example, they watch TV every night. Now, the pronoun or subject pronoun is they. The verb, which is in blue, is watch. And TV is the object of the sentence. How many subject pronouns? Now, let's study the following examples. How many subject pronouns? Now, we have two categories, singular pronouns or subject pronouns, and we have plural subject pronouns. Now, singular subject pronouns, we have I, you, he, she, and it. Plural subject pronouns, we have we, you, and they. Now, let's study these pronouns and following sentences. Now, the first one here, we have this little kid here. Now, this is John. Okay, John is going to talk about himself, and he's gonna say, "I am John. I am 10 years old. I am a student." So, John, to talk about himself, he uses the subject pronoun I. Now, John here is talking about his friend, which is a girl. Now, she is Jane. She is 10 years old. She is a student. Now, to talk about her, John used the subject she. Here we are talking about singular subject pronoun she. Now, John here, he is presenting himself and his friends. Okay, now he's going to say, we are 10 years old. We are student. We are friends. Now, John uses the subject we because they are plural. Now, again, John is presenting here his friend, a boy. He is 12 years old. He is a student. He is from England. Now, his friend is singular and he is a boy, so we use the subject pronoun he. Now, John here is presenting his friend, but he is talking about them. He is not included in this presentation. So he says they are friends. He uses subject they. They are Tom and 10. They are 12 years old. They are friends. They are from Canada. So here Tim and Tom are plural. They are his friends. So here John using the subject they. Now you hear John is talking to his friend. You are Kate. You are 12 years old. You are from England. You are a student. Now we use the subject you to talk directly to a person. And you here is to talk about plural, about many people, about two people or more. You are Lola and Jamie. You are from Italy. You are student. You are friends. Okay, so the first you we have seen earlier is to talk about singular one person, either female or male. But here we are talking about two people and more. Now we still have one last subject pronoun, which is it. Now, John here is talking about his dog, and he says, "This is Buffy. It is a dog. It is brown. It is my dog." So here he uses the subject it. It we use it to talk about animals, object. We don't use it to talk about humans. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe